Thanks for coming, guys. Thank you.
Sign, thank you.
I just want to say,
Step
you're the
back.
most
Can you turn the
disgusting
camera off?
human being on this planet.
Stay here.
Shame on you for supporting the fur industry. Shame on you for putting your innocent daughter in jail.
Okay. Next, please. Thank you very much.
It's right there. One wrong to wear fur. You need to stop wearing fur. It's horrible. Terrible person.
Thank you.
Sit down, please. Sit down. It's okay.
Can you make it out to all the animals that have been tortured
Thanks for coming, sir.
and killed
Thank
for you to
you.
wear a fur coat? Animals for one fur coat! 50 dead animals for one fur coat! Kim, do you know how many animals are tortured and killed for your jackets? Do you know how many animals are skinned alive, anally electrocuted?